Welcome to Mahfil Studio, your space to inspire, connect, and share your voice with the world. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on creating your Mahfil account and setting up your very own channel. Step 1. Open Mahfil Studio. Open your preferred web browser and go to studio.mahfil.net. Step 2. Sign up. Once you're on the home page, scroll down to the bottom and click on the Sign Up button. Step 3. Fill in registration details. Your account holder name, a valid email address, an active phone number. Create a password, be sure to remember it. And then, confirm the password by typing it again. Step 4. Terms and conditions. Scroll down to review Mahfil's terms and conditions. Once you've read them, check the box to agree. Finally, click the Create Account button to complete your registration. Congratulations! Your Mahfil account is now active. You're all set to create your channel and share content with your audience. Thank you. Stay tuned for more tutorials. Mahfil, for you, for futures.